Hey folks, PC here to show you how to teach remotely using the online classroom feature of the Digital Academy. The Digital Academy offers 3 tools to conduct distance learning. The class portal, which allows you to post text, documents, links, and other embedded content. Online lessons, which allows you to create asynchronous online lessons that are made up of videos, embedded content, online assessments, and discussions. And finally, the live classroom, which allows you to conduct synchronous interactive classes with your students using their computer video and audio. You can present slideshows and handouts, you can use a whiteboard, and you can even play games with our word cloud. This lesson will focus on the class portal. To access your class portal, log into the Digital Academy by going to auth.digitalacademy.org. If you forgot your password, you can click the Forgot Password link and a reset link will be emailed to you. If you forgot your username, you need to contact your administration. If you've previously mapped your Google account to the Digital Academy, simply click Login with Google, and as long as you're logged in to Google on your Chrome browser, you'll be automatically logged into the Digital Academy. If you've never mapped your account, you can do that for the first time by again clicking Login with Google. You will then be presented with a screen that asks you to log in to your Google account. Once you do that, you will be routed back to the Digital Academy, where you will need to enter your username and password and press Map. Once you've mapped your Google account to your Digital Academy account, you'll never need to log in with your Digital Academy credentials again. You can simply hit Login with Google from any browser, and as long as you're logged into Google, you'll be logged into the Digital Academy. Once you do log in, you'll see your dashboard, shown here. In order to access your online classroom, you need to click the graduation cap, and you will go to the classroom list. On the class list, click the classroom link for the subject that you want to go into. Each class that you teach can have its own classroom. If you don't have a classroom link, click the Jump button and then click Enable Online Portal. If you don't have a class at all on your list, you need to email support@digitalacademy.org to have one set up for you. Once you get into your online classroom, you'll see a page that looks like this. You'll notice that on the left, there's a number of items. Each classroom can have an image. Hover over the image and click Select Image to add a new image or to change it. You will need to have an image on your computer that you can use. The classroom has a number of modules. These are listed on the left. You can access the modules by clicking them. If you do not use the Digital Academy as your gradebook, you can have students join the class by having them go to join.digitalacademy.org and entering the code that you see in the blue section. In this case, the code would be DOC-DLT. There is a separate video for students that shows how to register for a class and access the classroom. All they need is the join.digitalacademy.org link and that access code, which you will need to give them. To enable or disable features in the classroom, click the Edit Classroom Pages button at the bottom of the left side. The following screen will pop up. A classroom can have one or more portal pages. To configure a portal page, click the gear. To add a new page, press Add Page, which is shown by the arrow next to the number 2. To turn features on or off, click the green slider. In this case, the classroom has a portal page called DA Distance Learning PD Homepage, and it has a module for online lessons, for the live classroom, and for discussions. Inactive are the calendar, assignments, resources, and logic box. When you're done enabling features, press the Done button. If you want to configure a portal page, click the gear icon. You'll see a menu with a number of options. The Configure Page options puts up the modal shown here. You can change the name of the page, and you can also change the format from 1 column to 2 columns. When you're done making those changes, press the Done button. The Publish page pulls up the modal shown here. Publish determines whether students can see the page. If the publish icon, which looks like a wireless signal, is green, that means that students can see it. You can unpublish it, or you can set it to publish on a certain day by selecting the options and pressing apply. Don't use the add subpage feature, but if you do need to delete a page, you can use the delete page button. To add content to your portal page, you'll want to click the Add Content button in the lower right corner, shown by this arrow. When you click the Add Content button, a bar will pop up with a number of options. Click one of those options to add the appropriate type of content. Post Materials will add a post to your page. A post can have HTML text, including links and resources. This is the primary item that you will add. You can also have an embed section. This would allow you to embed a YouTube video or other embeddable item into your page. We'll discuss instructions for embedding YouTube videos in the last part of this lesson. We're not going to cover the other features at this time. If you click Post Materials, you'll see a post like the one shown on this screen. At the top, you can enter a title, and then below that you have the description, which is the main content of the post. Again, you can click the image icon to add images, or you can just drag an image in from another site, and you can make things links, bold, bulleted list, or others. To attach a document, click the document link below, browse to the document, and it will be attached to your posts. Students will be able to access the document by clicking a link in your post. If you'd like to email students or parents, check the Email This Post button, and then select whether you want the email to go to parents or students or both. When you're done, click the checkbox in the upper right corner. To embed a YouTube video, you first need to go to YouTube and find the video you want to embed. Once you've found a video, click on it to go to the Video Details page. On the Video Details page, click the Share button. A Share window will pop up. Click Embed, and you'll see a pop-up that has a bunch of text. Click the Copy button in the lower right corner to copy the embed text to your clipboard. At that point, you need to go back to the Digital Academy. In the Digital Academy, go to your portal page, click the green Add Content button in the lower right, and then click Embed. You'll see a pop-up that looks like the one on the right. You can enter a title, then you click in the box that says Paste Embed Text Here, and press Ctrl-V, or right-click and select Paste to paste the content that you copied from YouTube. When you're done, check the checkbox, and your video will be embedded onto your portal page. Students can play the video directly from the portal without needing to go to YouTube. This covers the basics of setting up and posting materials to your online class portal. If you have any questions, feel free to email support@digitalacademy.org. Happy teaching!